Imagine starting your day knowing exactly where your operations stand before you even step into the plant. With our AI for Plant Managers courses at Complete AI Training, that advantage becomes your everyday reality. As a plant manager, you already know that efficiency and productive operations aren't optional. Instead of manually tracking performance metrics or guessing when a piece of equipment might fail, you can rely on AI to gather insights, highlight potential bottlenecks, and alert you to upcoming maintenance needs. This course is all about integrating practical, data-driven solutions that empower you to make informed decisions with confidence. By learning how to harness AI, you equip yourself with a tool that not only amplifies your existing skills, but also transitions you into a leader who can anticipate and address challenges proactively. Whether it's automating repetitive tasks or tapping into real-time analytics to optimize your production line, every strategy shared in our training is designed to save you time and reinforce your position as an irreplaceable asset in the industry. Most of our courses include certifications that boost your resume, validate your expertise, increase earning potential, enhance job security, and open new career opportunities. You'll find that this isn't merely training. It's a strategic investment in yourself, arming you with the know-how to implement AI solutions, step by step, even if you have little technical background. Discover all the AI for Plant Managers training courses on CompleteAItraining.com and begin transforming your approach to plant management today.